Newt, what would you do about the question of the 14th Amendment and birthright citizenship?
Well, I personally believe, again, I'm not suggesting we expel anyone. I want to start with that. I personally believe that the 14th Amendment, there's nothing in the 14th Amendment that relates to geography. The 14th Amendment relates to legality. And I suspect any of the people who wrote the 14th Amendment would have said, and I believe, in fact, Vince, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think they actually did say that this does not relate specifically to people who show up outside the law. And so, again, I am against our running around trying to deport people. I think that is not a sustainable policy. I think it is an anti-human policy. And I do agree with the Pope's vision that we seek justice in a hemisphere of hope, and he called it a continent of hope, and he talked of North and South America as being bound in many ways. So I don't want to get into fights where we say, you know, we're going to pick up somebody in the middle of labor and try to deport them. But I think the absurdity of making the case willful lawbreaking can lead to lawful outcome strikes me as, in the long run, not sustainable. And so, but it's not a place I would start the fight. I think that is part of what will evolve. And frankly, if you have an honest program of being able to come here honestly and you're operating within the law, you're not going to have those kind of problems.